Welcome to Inbound Call Tracking. So if you need a platform to accurately track your calls, should you be doing any pay-per-call models, attribution, and distribution, then look no further than Ringba, which is going to be the industry's leading technology for leading call tracking. And they're also a premium partner of Zeropark. So let's go ahead and look at their platform and see what they have to offer. Alright, so you can get started at ringbow.com. You can request a demo, and then they also have a free trial. So here you can review some of their service features, which is going to be world-class engineering, unlimited flexibility, their partner-centric platform, and it's a completely open framework where you can use the same APIs. Alright, great. So it looks like you also get global access, intelligent call routing, and you have access to unparalleled analytics. And it appears their platform is real-time call management and reporting. And here are some other nice features that they do. This is a nice website. So here you also have access to consumer, it looks like, conversion insights for personalizing the caller experience and optimizing your campaigns as well, which is helpful. Automated compliance. And their platform takes advantage of artificial intelligence. So here are going to be all of their products, which is interesting. So here's the call tracking. And you can request your free trial. See the purpose of your competitive advantage. And get a product overview to see how you can scale your business. Alright, so here's their built-in pay-per-call framework, which is interesting. So you can buy and sell your phone calls, you can monitor them, and you have reporting that you have access to. And again, it's in real time. And here's some information that you can take a look at in order to determine if this platform is a good fit for you. Alright, great. And here's going to be some of their tracking technology that you can track on your landing page, your device, the user agent, URL parameters, the browser. This is a nice website. This is really cool. And you pretty much have everything you need to track your calls. So you have your campaigns, performance, that's great. Robust API for integrations. Let's see, call attribution, so you know the customer journey. And you can get more familiar with their platform. So you can, again, go to ringbow.com if you're interested in getting started.